The Pacific Ocean hides the most powerful waves on Earth, and every superstorm begins with a single breath of warm water. Hidden beneath this peaceful surface, enormous amounts of heat are quietly fueling tomorrow's storm. As warm air rises, the atmosphere begins assembling one of nature's greatest engines. For ships crossing these waters, peaceful oceans can transform within hours. The first warning is almost invisible. The wind quietly reshapes the sea. Across thousands of kilometers, the Pacific begins storing incredible power. Now the ocean and atmosphere move together as one powerful system. Every passing wave steals more energy from the wind and grows even stronger. This is only the beginning. The Pacific's greatest waves are still gathering beyond the horizon. Beyond the outer rain bands, the Pacific begins revealing its true power. Every crashing wave carries enough force to shake an entire steel vessel. Now every horizon is built from moving mountains of water. The sea no longer rolls beneath the ship. It strikes from every direction. Even luxury yachts become tiny against an ocean this immense. One moment above the waves, the next hidden inside a valley of water. Across the Pacific, every ship faces the same unstoppable force of nature. Entire cargo ships can vanish between waves taller than buildings. The storm continues to grow, and every new wave arrives even larger. Ahead lies the storm's inner core, where the Pacific creates its greatest waves. Closer to the storm's core, every wave grows larger distant than the last. Steel follows engineering, but the ocean obeys only the laws of physics. Every crest reveals another mountain of water waiting beyond. Survival depends on reading every wave before it strikes. Against the Pacific, even the largest yacht becomes astonishingly small. Entire vessels disappear inside valleys carved from moving water. Across hundreds of kilometers, the storm behaves like one enormous living machine. Inside the storm, the horizon itself disappears beneath water. The atmosphere keeps feeding the ocean with astonishing amounts of energy. The storm is still strengthening, and the greatest waves have yet to arrive. Now the Pacific reveals waves capable of overwhelming almost any ship. Each new wave carries enough energy to reshape the ocean around it. There is no calm water left, only endless moving mountains. Even experienced vessels vanish inside exploding walls of water. Against the Pacific, size alone offers no protection. The storm hides entire ships inside valleys carved from water. From horizon to horizon, the Pacific has become one giant engine of energy. Inside the storm, the sea builds walls higher than city skylines. The sea is approaching its maximum energy. Wave after relentless wave. Yet the Pacific is still gathering strength. The ultimate waves are still ahead. The deeper we enter the storm, the more the ocean begins to resemble a mountain range. Every impact unleashes the force of an underwater avalanche. Each towering crest hides another, even larger wave beyond it. For a few seconds, nothing exists but water, wind, and raw power.
The ocean measures every vessel against the scale of nature itself.
The sea reshapes itself faster than any ship can react. Across the Pacific, the storm now behaves like a single living force. Entire cargo ships vanish, as if swallowed by the sea itself. The storm is nearing its maximum intensity with astonishing speed. The storm is nearing its peak, and the greatest waves are almost here. Now the Pacific is releasing the full force stored within the storm. Every wave now carries the force of a collapsing ocean cliff.
The ocean has become an endless landscape of moving mountains.
Inside this storm, every direction leads to another giant wave.
The strongest vessels still surrender to the rhythm of the ocean.
Entire valleys of water open and close within seconds. From horizon to horizon, the Pacific has become pure kinetic energy.
Every crest reveals another impossible wall of water waiting beyond.
The storm has reached a level that only the open Pacific can sustain. Beyond this point lies the most violent heart of the Pacific superstorm. This is the heart of the superstorm, where the Pacific reaches its greatest fury. Each second is a battle between steel, gravity, and an unstoppable sea. Even the horizon has vanished beneath endless mountains of water. The storm offers no pause, only one colossal wave after another.
Every vessel becomes insignificant beneath waves of this scale.
The ocean reshapes itself into towering peaks and endless valleys. The Pacific is releasing energy gathered across thousands of kilometers. Entire ships vanish between waves that seem impossible to exist. Only a handful of storms ever reach this extraordinary level of power.
The Pacific has one final secret still waiting beyond these waves. At the heart of the superstorm, the Pacific reveals its greatest giants.
Some waves rise far above every prediction, becoming legends of the sea.
Against a wave like this, even the ocean seems small.
Nature occasionally builds waves unlike anything sailors expect to encounter. Even the strongest vessels appear fragile before such overwhelming force.
Every descent is followed by another impossible climb.
This is one of the rarest and most powerful spectacles the ocean can create. Even the greatest wave lasts only moments before returning to the sea. The storm begins to move away, but its waves will travel across the Pacific for days. The storm has passed its peak, and now we journey inside its remarkable anatomy.
From space, a super typhoon looks almost beautiful. But inside lies one of Earth's most violent engines. Every spiral cloud carries heat and moisture toward the storm's powerful center. These cloud towers are among the tallest weather systems on our planet.
This towering ring of clouds contains the strongest winds in the entire storm. Here, wind and ocean combine into a single unstoppable force. Every passing wave is fueled by enormous amounts of atmospheric energy. Even far below the surface, the storm's energy never stops moving. Only a few kilometers away lies a place of astonishing calm. The closer we move toward the center, the stranger this storm becomes. Next, we enter the eye itself, where the world's fiercest storm suddenly falls silent.
Without warning, the fury disappears. Welcome to the eye of the storm.
This peaceful center is one of nature's greatest illusions. But around us stands a wall of clouds taller than most mountains.
Inside the eye, even the ocean seems to pause for a moment. Even beneath the surface, the ocean briefly catches its breath.
Peace exists here only because chaos surrounds it on every side. From above, this calm circle is only a tiny opening inside a giant storm. These cloud towers recycle warm air, keeping the storm alive. Ahead, the calm ends as suddenly as it began. Crossing the eye is only halfway, and the storm's second wall is about to strike. The peaceful journey ends here. Another wall of violence lies ahead. Within seconds, calm water becomes one of the harshest seas on Earth. The opposite eye wall is every bit as powerful as the first. Powerful winds reshape the ocean into a constantly changing battlefield. The storm's power reaches far beneath the surface of the sea. No vessel escapes the storm once it reaches the second eye wall. The ocean is once again absorbing unimaginable amounts of energy. The horizon disappears behind moving mountains of water.
The storm's energy now begins reshaping the waves themselves.
Next, the waves begin colliding, creating one of the ocean's deadliest patterns.
Here, waves no longer travel together, they begin colliding.
Crossing wave systems multiply the stress placed on every vessel. When giant waves meet, the ocean becomes wildly unpredictable. No captain can predict exactly where the next impact will come from. Beneath the surface, hidden currents collide with equal intensity. Cross seas can overwhelm even the most advanced modern ships. Sometimes, these collisions create something far more dangerous. Wave energy is beginning to concentrate into a single massive swell. The ingredients for a rogue wave are finally coming together. Ahead, the ocean is about to create one of its rarest phenomena, a rogue wave. A rogue wave does not arrive gradually. It suddenly rises above everything around it.
Unlike ordinary storm waves, this giant forms from concentrated wave energy.
The wave grows higher by absorbing the energy of surrounding seas. Nearby waves seem to disappear as one giant crest takes their place. Beneath the surface, immense currents combine to support the growing wave. Even large vessels become tiny beside a true rogue wave. For a brief moment, one wave dominates the entire ocean. Some rogue waves rise twice as high as the surrounding sea.
Every rogue wave is temporary, but its power is unforgettable.
Giant wave collapses, but its energy continues racing across the Pacific. Even after it collapses, a rogue wave leaves enormous energy behind. The atmosphere finally begins releasing its grip on the ocean. The sea is still powerful, but its rhythm is slowly returning.
Beneath the waves, calm returns long before it appears above.
Storms eventually weaken, but the ocean remembers their passage.
These swells may continue traveling across the Pacific for thousands of kilometers.
Long after the winds fade, the waves continue carrying the storm's energy.
Nature restores balance, one wave at a time.
The atmosphere grows quiet, but the ocean continues telling the storm's story. Beyond every storm lies a calmer sea, and another mystery waiting to be discovered. The storm is fading, but its fingerprints remain across the entire Pacific. Ocean swells continue traveling long after the winds have disappeared. These waves can travel for thousands of kilometers without losing their identity. Beneath the surface, the ocean has already returned to remarkable balance.
Nature can transform from violence to tranquility with astonishing speed.
The Pacific remembers every storm through the waves it leaves behind.
Every swell carries a memory of the wind that created it. What seems calm still contains extraordinary amounts of hidden energy. The ocean is never truly still. It is simply changing its rhythm. Our journey through the superstorm ends here, but the ocean still holds countless mysteries waiting beyond the horizon. Every great storm eventually leaves behind a quieter ocean.
Yet beneath this beauty, The ocean still carries extraordinary amounts of energy.
The waves continue traveling long after the winds have vanished. Below the surface, the Pacific has returned to its timeless rhythm. Calm seas often hide the memory of incredible storms.
The Pacific is Earth's largest reservoir of moving water and stored energy.
Some of that hidden energy can create waves unlike any other.
Among them is one of the rarest and most mysterious phenomena ever recorded.
Next mystery does not require a storm, only the perfect combination of waves. In the next chapter, we uncover the astonishing science behind the ocean's legendary rogue waves. The storm has ended, but the ocean's greatest mystery is only beginning. Most days, the Pacific appears peaceful beyond imagination. Yet hidden within these swells lies extraordinary stored energy.
Even below the surface, invisible motion never truly stops.
A calm sea can sometimes conceal its greatest danger. Across this immense ocean, waves travel thousands of kilometers without stopping. Far ahead, one wave begins behaving differently from all the others.
Scientists call these rare giants rogue waves.
Unlike storm waves, they can appear without warning in seemingly calm seas.
Next, we'll witness how an ordinary swell transforms into one of the ocean's most legendary phenomena.
A rogue wave often begins as nothing more than ordinary swells crossing paths.
When wave energy aligns perfectly, something extraordinary can happen. Instead of canceling out, these waves amplify one another.
The surrounding sea stays calm, while one wave grows into a giant. The process begins below the surface, long before it becomes visible above. To anyone nearby, the giant seems to appear from nowhere. Nature quietly concentrates enormous energy into a single moving wall of water. From above, the mathematics of the ocean become impossible to ignore. Now the rogue wave stands alone, towering above the entire sea. Next comes the moment every sailor fears: meeting the giant face to face. The rogue wave has fully formed, and there is no way around it.
From the bridge, the sea would look more like a towering skyscraper.
Every second, the ship climbs higher into one of nature's rarest phenomena. The surrounding ocean remains calm, while one wave towers above them all. Hidden below is an equally enormous mass of moving water. Its sudden appearance leaves almost no time to react. For one extraordinary moment, a single wave commands the entire horizon.
At its highest point, the ocean seems to stand almost upright.
This rare event may last only seconds before beginning to collapse. Beyond the summit lies a breathtaking descent into the deepest trough of the sea. The climb is over. Now gravity takes control. From here, the ocean feels more like a collapsing mountain than a wave. Every impact releases incredible amounts of energy back into the sea. As quickly as it formed, the giant begins to disappear. Beneath the surface, the collapse sends powerful currents in every direction. Its immense power lasts only moments, but the memory lasts forever. The ocean is already redistributing the energy that created the giant. Ahead, the sea begins looking ordinary once again. Within minutes, almost nothing remains to reveal what happened here. The rogue wave is gone, but the science behind it is only beginning. Although the giant wave has vanished, its energy still moves beneath the surface. The ocean carries invisible rivers of energy long after the surface appears calm. Marine life adapts continuously to these slow-moving underwater forces.
Life beneath the waves quickly returns to its natural rhythm.
From below, the surface reveals patterns impossible to see from above.
The hidden world below often tells the true story of the ocean. Above and below the surface, the same ocean behaves in remarkably different ways. Even in silence, the ocean never truly stands still.
Balance has returned, yet the ocean continues storing incredible power. Now that we've witnessed the phenomenon, let's uncover the science that makes it possible.
The danger has passed, but the mystery is far from solved.
The Pacific is constantly moving, even when it appears perfectly calm.
Every wave carries energy from winds that may have blown days earlier. Below the surface, invisible motion connects every part of the ocean.
A peaceful horizon can conceal extraordinary physics beneath the waves.
Across thousands of kilometers, wave systems constantly interact with one another.
Most interactions are harmless, but a few become truly extraordinary. Sometimes those crossing waves combine instead of canceling each other.
Those rare moments of perfect alignment can give birth to a giant.
Next, we'll see exactly how ordinary waves combine to create an extraordinary monster. The ocean is filled with countless waves, traveling in different directions.
Most waves simply pass through one another without attracting attention.
Occasionally, their energy combines instead of spreading apart.
Long before the surface changes, the water below is already reorganizing.
A rogue wave begins with tiny differences that rapidly grow. Nature quietly concentrates enormous energy into a single moving wall of water. Within seconds, an ordinary swell can become something extraordinary. Every rogue wave is the result of perfect timing and perfect alignment. The mathematics of the ocean can create a giant without a single storm cloud.
Science explains how it forms, but seeing one in reality is unforgettable.
Every rogue wave eventually fades, but the ocean never stops creating new mysteries.
The sea appears peaceful, yet its hidden energy never disappears.
Every journey across the Pacific is guided by waves born far beyond the horizon. Even beneath the surface, the Pacific moves with quiet precision. Nature often hides its greatest power behind its greatest beauty. Every wave reminds us that the ocean is constantly alive. The greatest discoveries begin with asking why the impossible happens. Science helps us understand the ocean, but it never removes its sense of wonder. Beyond every horizon, another mystery is already waiting to be discovered. The rogue wave is only one chapter in the endless story of Earth's greatest ocean. Far from civilization lies one of Earth's most unforgiving oceans. With powerful currents circle the planet without a single continent to stop them. The Drake Passage concentrates the full force of the Southern Ocean.
Even beneath the waves, the Southern Ocean never truly rests.
Towering icebergs drift through seas shaped by relentless wind and waves. Every collision between sea and ice reshapes this frozen frontier.
Only a handful of seabirds truly master these relentless winds. Beneath the chaos above, giants travel ancient migration routes.
Few places on Earth combine such beauty with such overwhelming power.
Our journey now continues toward another legendary ocean frontier.
Cape Horn has challenged sailors for centuries with relentless seas. Here, the Atlantic and Pacific meet in a constant battle of water and wind. Conflicting wave systems make these waters famously unpredictable. The struggle above continues beneath the surface through powerful crossing currents. Even modern ships respect the power of this legendary cape. This narrow gateway has become one of the world's greatest maritime legends. Moments of beauty appear even in one of Earth's harshest environments. Hidden below lies a thriving ecosystem shaped by constant motion. Beyond Cape Horn, the Southern Ocean stretches endlessly toward Antarctica. Ahead lies another ocean, where wind, ice, and waves rule without limits. North of the Pacific lies another ocean, shaped by relentless storms.
Cold Arctic air collides here with warmer Pacific waters.
These waters are famous for producing some of the world's largest open ocean waves.
Beneath the waves, apex predators thrive in these nutrient-rich seas. Every year, giant whales return to these productive feeding grounds.
Volcanoes, storms, and deep oceans combine to create an extraordinary environment. With life flourishes where powerful ocean currents constantly mix. These rich northern waters support one of the greatest marine migrations on Earth.
In these waters, weather changes with astonishing speed.
Our voyage now turns toward the frozen seas at the edge of Antarctica.
Beyond the storm belts lies the coldest ocean on our planet. Here, wind, waves, and ice constantly reshape the frozen frontier. Some Antarctic icebergs are older than entire civilizations.
The greatest part of every iceberg remains hidden beneath the sea.
Even in freezing waters, life flourishes in remarkable abundance. This frozen ocean helps regulate the climate of the entire Earth. Every impact slowly carves these floating mountains into new shapes. Tiny Antarctic krill support one of the richest food chains on Earth. The farther south we travel, the more untouched the ocean becomes. From the frozen south, our expedition now heads toward one of the ocean's greatest legends. Not every dangerous sea reveals its secrets with towering waves. Warm currents and shifting weather can transform visibility within minutes.
In these waters, clear skies can hide rapidly changing conditions.
Below the surface, the seafloor plunges dramatically into the abyss.
Ocean currents shape this region more than myths ever could.
The true mystery here lies in the remarkable dynamics of the Atlantic Ocean. Changing light can completely transform the appearance of the open sea. But beneath calm waters lies a landscape every bit as dramatic as the surface. Science replaces legend with an even deeper appreciation of the ocean. Our final destination awaits, where two mighty oceans once again collide. At Africa's southern tip, two great oceans meet in constant motion. Here, powerful currents create one of the world's most dynamic coastlines. Crossing wave systems make these waters both beautiful and unpredictable.
Below the surface, invisible currents shape every living creature's journey.
Even in turbulent seas, marine life thrives along this remarkable coast. And
The meeting of oceans creates extraordinary energy, visible from every horizon.
For countless generations, these cliffs have witnessed the ocean's endless power.
Hidden beneath the waves lies a vibrant underwater forest.
Every legendary cape marks another chapter in humanity's relationship with the sea. Beyond every horizon, the ocean still holds countless stories waiting to be discovered. Our final destination lies in the frozen waters of the Arctic Ocean. Here, the boundary between ocean and ice is constantly changing. Even calm Arctic seas conceal extraordinary natural forces below. Below the ice, life thrives in remarkable silence. These remote waters remain among the least disturbed on Earth.
The Arctic helps regulate the climate of the entire northern hemisphere.
For the polar bear, drifting sea ice is both home and hunting ground. The hidden world beneath Arctic ice is every bit as extraordinary as the surface. Here, summer sunlight can linger for days without setting.
From tropical storms to frozen oceans, every sea tells its own remarkable story.
Our expedition is nearing its end, but the ocean's story never truly ends. From tropical storms to frozen seas, every ocean is connected. The oceans form one continuous system that shapes our entire planet.
Even the quietest waters are filled with constant motion.
The greatest discoveries often begin in places that seem completely silent. Earth's oceans are united by currents that never stop flowing. Every encounter reminds us how extraordinary marine life truly is.
Beneath every wave lies another world waiting to be explored.
The farther we travel, the more we realize how little we truly know. Our journey across Earth's most dangerous seas has ended, but the ocean's greatest mysteries still await.